Okay, next let's create a page inline form. So as always, we start with the default text and default design. Let's adjust this real quick. So yeah, you can adjust here the text. We could, for example, say if we just have the email, which we will change anyway, but just as an example, input from our service, yeah, or whatever, right? Hello there, please join us. I mean, it's just a contrived example, right? Yeah, you can change here the font size, the text color, but actually I want to keep this white, so I will not change it because I want to give the background color here a nice darkish green. I think that looks quite nice. And then also, let me go, where is it? The email field, yeah, let's adjust that. Let's remove the label and just have a placeholder. It will always be required, of course, because we need the email. Let's add some more fields. Let's say we will put H this time, and again, no label, but a placeholder. And what else? Yeah, we can also add custom fields here. And let's give it the country field, also no label, but a placeholder. I'm sure that now one UX designer, a fairy, cries and dies because of what I'm doing, because I once read you shouldn't like put that description of the field as the placeholder because that will be hidden and then it's difficult. But you know, I'm sure that for every opinion there will always be like at least two opinions. Different opinions, so yeah, we support that. You can do it in case you like it, right? Background color, that is not so fitting anymore. How is that? Could be better, but I guess it's okay-ish. You can also text here, change here the text. Let's make this a small never. And maybe let's make this bigger. We respect your privacy, really, really big, right? Here also we can adjust the color, but I think white is just fine. We could give it like a grayish white to have just a small difference, right? What else? Yeah, I really like the progress bar thingy, but then maybe not red, but maybe how's that? Yeah, that fits well, I think, because that may improve the conversion rate to drive people to fill out your form. Or pick that, yeah. Also, I would prefer the blue. And also my favorite is the display subscriber counter to really give a social proof. Hey, there's so many people using being subscribed to our newsletter. But if you're just starting out, maybe, you know, fake it till you make it. You want to put this to some level, to some starting a value, and then new subscribers will be added on top, right? And then, of course, we can have the preview to see how is this going to look like for the inline form. I mean, you can put it anywhere on your site as you like, but that could be one example. You have your content on the left side, on the right side you have your form, and so this will be visible, and then people can sign up, right? Okay. And I guess that's it. I hope you got the idea of what you can do here with the page inline form. Okay, so now I will save it, and yeah, we can work on the next form. And by the way, yeah, maybe I should also explain this quickly. So yeah, the form is saved. We can use it, but we can also write from here, as well as later in the overview, we can edit the form texts, which will apply to all the forms, right? Yeah, but we will actually do this at a later time. Okay, so for now, thanks.